It's time to divide. Let's divide 6 pencils equally among 3 students. 6 divided by 3. This can be written 2 ways, with a division symbol, 2 dots and a line in between, or as a division problem with a T, where the answer goes above the line. Let's give each student 1 pencil. Take 3 pencils and hand them out. Now, take another group of 3 and hand them out. All the pencils are gone. So, each student receives 2 pencils. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. Let's do another. The class has 12 students divided into teams of 4 students. 12 divided by 4. Make 1 team of 4, then another, then another. That's it. There are 3 teams of 4 students. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Now it's your turn to divide.
All right, it's time to put what we've learned to the test with a practice game. Follow along with us and do your best to get all the questions right. Let's go.
Solve this division problem by dividing the objects equally among the hands. Drag items into each hand and press go when you are done.
Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This should be it.
That's it. Count how many items are in each hand. Select the correct answer to this division problem.
1, 2. This has got to be correct.
Good! Drag items into equal shares, then press go.
Let's see. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. I bet this is the answer.
Right on. Choose the correct answer to this problem.
1, 2, 3. I'll try this answer.
Excellent.